My name is Joy. I come from Greece and I am 47 years old. I currently study to be a social assistant. I have joined this class because I want to achieve the level B in English in order to apply for studies at the university after I graduate from the social school. I have chosen it to be an online class because I am on full-time practice, mostly in the mornings, so it is not possible for me to join an ordinary class. I have prepared a class which is until May, so I have a longer time to work on the required material and prepare for the exams. Thank you for your time.